Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm going to show you how to set up remote mirror folding on your 2024 or 2025 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. And this will actually work the same way if you have a 1500 that has folding side view mirrors, power folding side view mirrors. So what I'm talking about is when you lock the truck, just like that, the mirrors are automatically going to fold in, or when you unlock the truck, they're automatically going to unfold. We're going to come to the center screen and we're going to go to Settings. We'll select Settings and then we'll select Vehicle. Then you're going to come down here to Comfort and Convenience. And there's a couple of different ways you can do this. You will see Remote Mirror Folding. Now you'll notice that it does not have the check mark to turn that on. All you have to do is do that. The check mark comes on, the green dot with the check mark. And then you can also come in here to make sure it's checked to on here as well. So if it's set to off, obviously you just set that to on and your remote mirror folding is going to work from that point forward. If there is a particular tutorial you want to see on any of these GMC vehicles or any other vehicle for that matter, let me know down in the comments. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you next time.